Hi. A unit-linked investment is a life insurance contract connected to investment funds. In simple terms, it allows clients to invest through professionally managed funds inside an insurance structure. With Allianz Investment, clients can access funds from major international asset managers such as JPMorgan, PIMCO, and Allianz Global Investors. This means the client does not need to choose individual shares, companies, or bonds directly. Instead, the investment is made through funds that are already managed by professionals. When a client invests in a unit-linked product, the money is converted into investment units. The value of those units depends on the performance of the selected funds. If the funds perform well, the value of the investment can increase. On the other hand, if financial markets fall, the value can also decrease. For this reason, it is important to understand that a unit-linked investment is not a bank deposit, does not have a guaranteed fixed return, and capital is not guaranteed. The purpose of this solution is to give clients access to diversified investment strategies according to their objectives, investment horizon, and the risk profile. With Allianz Investment, the available fund options are organized into three main profiles: conservative, moderate, and aggressive. The main difference between these profiles is the level of exposure to equities. In other words, to the stock market. The conservative profile is designed for clients who prefer a more cautious approach. This profile has lower exposure to equities from 0% to 15%. It is mainly focused on more defensive investments, such as bond strategies with a limited exposure to the stock market. It may be suitable for clients who want a market participation, but prefer lower volatility and smaller fluctuations. However, conservative does not mean risk-free. Even defensive funds can rise and fall in value depending on interest rates, credit conditions, and market movements. Now, the moderate profile is designed for clients who want a balance between risk and growth potential. This profile has equity exposure from 30 to 50%. Part of the investment is allocated to more defensive assets, while another part is allocated to equities, which can offer more growth potential over time. It may be suitable for clients with a medium to long-term investment horizon who accept some more market movement but do not want to take the highest level of risk. On the other hand, the aggressive profile is designed for long-term investors who are focused on capital growth. This profile has higher exposure to equities from 75 to 100%, meaning the investment is more connected to the stock market. The potential for growth is higher, especially over the long term, but the value can also fluctuate more. It may be suitable for clients with a longer investment horizon, higher risk tolerance, and the ability to stay invested during the market downturns. So, in simple terms, conservative focuses on lower volatility, moderate focuses on balance, and aggressive focuses on long-term growth. There is no profile that is automatically better than the others. The right choice depends on each client's objectives, financial situation, time horizon, and tolerance for risk. At C1 Broker Portugal, we help clients understand the product before making a decision. Our team explains how unit-linked investment work, compares available profiles and fund options, and supports clients in identifying which solution may be more suitable for their needs. Because this is a market-linked product, values may rise or fall, and again, capital is not guaranteed. To better understand your options, contact C1 Broker Portugal today. We guide you through the process, explain the details clearly, and help you make an informed decision with confidence. Thank you.